Did you know that 86% of workplace failures are attributed to poor communication? Yet organizations with effective communicators are 4.5 times more likely to retain top talent and outperform their competitors. Organizations with weak communication skills face critical challenges: broken team dynamics, client dissatisfaction, and project failures. They lose millions through misunderstandings, conflicts, and inefficient information flow when clear communication is missing. For individuals, poor communication skills result in workplace conflicts, missed opportunities, and career limitations. Teams experience low morale, misaligned efforts, and reduced collaboration due to communication barriers. This transformative program develops confident communicators. Through interactive practice and proven frameworks, participants master the art of clear, impactful communication in any setting. The program covers essential skills including active listening, nonverbal communication, feedback techniques, and conflict resolution. Participants learn to communicate effectively across all business contexts. Organizations implementing this training see powerful results: 50% reduction in workplace conflicts and enhanced team collaboration. Customer satisfaction and employee engagement show significant improvement. Participants gain influence and build stronger relationships, while teams benefit from improved understanding and aligned efforts. Transform your organization's communication effectiveness. Enroll now to develop professionals who connect, engage, and inspire through powerful communication.